For the next foreseeable future, I will be giving tidbits or insights as to what I've been building for the past 6 months. Now, every day I will attempt to do a one-take video of myself discussing or talking about it, and the idea or the hope is that I become better at communicating, or at least being able to get to a point, which I have a hard time doing, within 60 seconds or less if possible. So this would be a daily experiment or a daily upload related to that. Now, I don't have much time right now. I got about 20 seconds. So what I've been building for the past little while is a culmination of a database of everything related to strength training and pain management. That's all.